Let's continue to explore the wonders of phytoplankton. 7. Design dreamers. Their fluid designs inspire engineers, even in software like Elise. 8. Nature's recyclers, perfecting ecosystems and inspiring sustainable aquaculture. 9. Health whisperers. Through them, we read the heartbeat of our waters. 10. Nano-magicians. Tiny, intricate designs that lead innovation in photonics. 11. Purifying maestros. Ever heard of a candidate? They're mastering water filtration, all thanks to these beings. 12. Assembly geniuses. From the depths, they inspire self-assembling marvels like planktonium. Unveiling nature's marvels, one phytoplankton secret at a time. Dive deeper with us.